It's crazy, right? Because, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 3:40 a.m.
It's 3:40 a.m. I just want to show you. There's somebody out there, 3:40 in the morning, shoveling. That's the house that's right next to BF 44 Low in Dayton, Ohio, 2021. And how I never lived at the blue house right there. This is Dayton, Ohio, just showing you. How there's people outside. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 3:41 a.m.
Alexa, what's my location?
You're on 4260 Thompson Drive in Dayton, Ohio.
Okay, now you see that person? It's 3:40 in the morning. Yeah, right. They're out there to to do their grass and shit, right? I'm just saying. When this is me here, I just want to show you that, okay? Because that's not me ever standing out there, even though she has my signal over there, or he has my signal over there.